Hey everyone, welcome to Null Tech. Today I'll show you how to turn off your camera during a WhatsApp video call. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You'll see your chat list here. Now, select any contact or group you want to video call. Once you're in the chat, tap the video call icon at the top right corner to start the call. When the video call connects, you'll see the camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Keep in mind that you cannot disable video until the receiver receives your call. After the receiver receives your call, then simply tap this camera icon to disable your video. That's it. Your camera is now off. The other person can no longer see you, but you can still see them and continue the audio conversation. This works for both individual and group video calls on WhatsApp. To turn your camera back on, just tap the camera icon again. If you found this WhatsApp tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Null Tech for more quick tech guides. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.